Okay, so if I'm going to plot the following integers on the number line, I first have to draw my number line. Number lines go on and on forever in either direction, and the portion we're drawing is actually just the part of the number line we're looking at. Some people think that you have to put a 0 on the number line. That's not the case necessarily. In this case, I'm going to plot 0, so 0 does need to be there. And a lot of times people put 0 in the center, but it doesn't have to. We will today because we have to plot 6 positive, so at least 6 spots to the right, and 3 and 1 negative. When we put our marks on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, when we put our marks on the number line, we want to try to keep those the same distance apart. I'm a human being, so I'm not going to get them exactly the same distance apart, but I shouldn't have like crazy big ones on one side and really small ones on the other side because they're supposed to represent the same amount of distance between each integer, between each whole number. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbers are positive in the direction to the right. Numbers are negative when we head to the left. So -1, I start counting up going this way. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It's kind of like a mirror right at the 0 where it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this way, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that direction. If I'm going to plot points, I'm going to use a different color so you can kind of see the difference. I'm plotting 0. That means you're going to put a dot where the integer 0 lands on the number line. And when I say where it lands, I mean like right on the line. So that is 0. If I'm looking to -1, I'm going to go over 1, and I'm going to put a line right here. And it says -1, so I just need to make sure that I have them labeled as well. And -3, 1, 2, 3. And +6 is to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the big things you need to remember, getting that number line down and kind of deciding what digits you're going to show. That if you go to the right of 0, there are positives starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up. If you're going to the left of 0, that's where the negatives lie, and making sure that you put a dot where those integers are, where those whole numbers land.